This is Olivia's restaurant! What do you want, Sophia? Okay, salad. Sophia, she wants salad. Okay. I'm preparing food for my doll, Sophia. This one. I have lettuce. I have corn. I have eggplant. I have cheese. I have tomato. I have lettuce. And cheese, and that's all. That's all that I have. Do you think it's a good salad? What do you want in your salad? I'm gonna get the menu and I'm gonna show it to Hugo. Pineapple! I'm gonna give Sophia her salad. Oh no, my salad! What is it? Somebody stole my salad! Oh no! Ah! I'm gonna give Hugo his pineapple. The robber stole my pineapple. There's a robber! Ah! Stop! You're under arrest. Oh.
Okay, so what did we learn today?
About policemen's food.
Okay, so we learned about policemen because Olivia, in the end, she was a cook, but she was also a policeman because she stopped the robber. It was a robber, right?
Yes, it was you.
Well, I was the robber. And what did the robber try to take?
It's food. Our food.
The robber tried to take our food, but what type of food specifically?
Salad and pineapple.
That's right. A salad. And what was in the salad?
Lettuce.
Tomato?
Tomato.
Yeah.
Corn.
Corn.
Something blue.
Oh, I know what you're trying to say. Eggplant.
Yes.
She was trying to say eggplant, not eggplant. I'm sorry, eggplant. Yeah, so we had eggplant in the salad.
And cheese.
And cheese. So let's say that over again. We had lettuce, tomato, cheese, eggplant, and am I missing something? Well, I don't remember the other one. And then...
Me either.
Okay, so that was for what was the name of the doll?
Sophia.
Okay, so that was for Sophia. That was her salad. The robber took Sophia's salad. And then Hugo wanted a pineapple, right?
Yes.
Hugo wanted a pineapple. And then the robber, he took the pineapple. Right? But what happened? We caught the robber.
Yes.
Right? We caught the robber. Right?
Yes.
And
It was just a video.
it was just a video, right? It was just pretend. Is it good to be a robber?
Nuh-uh.
No, it's not good to be a robber. Why?
Because that's bad magic and bad things.
Okay, well, it's not magic, but it's not good. You don't want people to take your things, right?
Oh, yeah.
We have to treat other people like we want them to treat us. So we be nice to other people, we don't take their things, right? Okay. So Olivia was a policewoman at the end, right? She was a cook. First she was a cook, but then she was a policewoman. And she had some things, right? What did she have? She had a whistle, A whistle? Go ahead, blow the whistle, blow the whistle. Okay, that's enough, not enough. Okay, so Olivia had a whistle. Olivia had a whistle. Now, what else did Olivia have? A badge? No, show us the badge, show us the badge. She had a badge, a police badge. This is a police badge. Okay, and what are these?
Handcuffs.
These are handcuffs. 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 You put them on your hands.
Like this, like
And like that. Okay. No, we don't need to close them. We don't need to close them. Oh,
It's just,
now I'm handcuffed.
it's just to show me that.
Okay, just to show you guys. Okay, so I was the robber and Olivia put the handcuffs on me. She put the handcuffs on me. Olivia put the handcuffs on me. Okay, so that was to catch me because I was the robber. Okay, well, I think that's it for today. What do you think? That's it. Okay, well, let's say goodbye now.
No, wait.
Well, it's time to say goodbye.
Yes, then
Okay.
goodbye, guys.
Okay, goodbye. We'll see you in the next video.
Yes,
Bye.
guys.